Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be past, present, future of your connection. So you have specific someone or a special connection in your life. So you want to know what is the future of this connection. Who can see this reading? This reading singles can see, married, divorced, anybody can watch this reading. Only thing is you should have some specific connection in your life which you don't know what is the future of the connection. So we will see past, present and future of the connection. So what you can do, first you see the past of this connection whenever I am doing the reading. So if the past is resonating with you, then you can see the present and future, otherwise you can choose some other pile. Okay, so that is what you have to take care. So past you just see if it is matching, then you can see present and future. That will be the future of your connection. Okay, then that's all. I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me and encouraging me to do more and more videos for you. I am excited to do the reading today. After a long time I am doing this topic. So let us see what are the piles here. We have three piles here. Pile 1, this clear quartz. Pile 2, emerald. Pile 3, tiger's eye. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can meditate on the pile, then you can choose accordingly. Okay, so please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want any private reading, please contact me. You can take a personal reading from me, and if you write a mail to me, email, then I will respond to you. Okay, that's all I can say, friends. Then without wasting much time, let us start the reading. If you like the readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Okay, so let us start the pile number 1, clear quartz. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. What is the past, present and future of this connection? Okay, so let us see. So first of all, let me read what is written on this card. Are you trying to gain clarity? Do things seem hazy and dark right now? Is your path unclear or uncertain? Go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts surrounding your current life situation. Okay, let us start the reading. What is the past? What is the past of this connection? What is the past of this connection? So let me pull 3 cards. 3. Then let me see what is the present of this connection. What is the present? What is happening in this connection right now? What is the present of this connection? So these are the present cards. So what is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Okay, let me start. So what was the past? What happened in this connection in the past? Let us see. Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles and 2 of Swords. Okay, so you are asking about a specific person in your life. Your it can be your love or a crush or a partner. It can be anybody. So let us see the signs here. The signs I can see are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Please take it whatever resonates with you, or whether these signs are there in your person's natal chart, sun sign, moon sign, rising sign or Venus sign. Okay, so in the past what happened, this person only proposed you. They are having lot of love, emotions and they have very stable feelings towards you. Okay, nothing much happened in the past. Then this person came to you, they only proposed you, they gave you a stable offer. Okay, page of pentacles is there. So this person was very stable in this connection. They are clear in their mind, clear in their thoughts. So they wanted to take an action. So they were actually in the past, they were coming towards you, but somehow you have refused them because there is a confusion here. Then because two of swords is there, so something happened between you. Maybe you didn't trust this person, or this person had another person in their life, another option. I cannot say person, maybe they had another option, so they were not able to choose you or the other person. Okay, but they were ready to offer you their stable commitment, because page of pentacles is a commitment card. I mean, they are ready to offer you something which you didn't like, might be, or they only backed off, but they have lot of feelings towards you, and they have expressed also towards you because they took the action. Okay, in this connection, maybe it can be you also, it is vice versa, but there is a confusion here. There is a indecisive uh, circumstances happen because two of swords is there. So maybe you are emotionally blocked, like you can't trust each other, or you have two options or they have another option. So that is the reason this did not proceed ahead. Okay, so then I can't see any other negative things here. So if the past is matching with you, then you can proceed ahead and see the present. What is the present of this connection? Justice, the star, and nine of stars, nine of suns, sorry. Okay, so there for some of you, I feel that this person is your partner. I feel your spouse might be. So you both had a relationship and you lived together for some time. Then this because justice card says it is a legal battle or a divorce matter. So you both, for some of you I'm saying, okay, for some of you, you both got divorced, and you are not together right now. But in the past you were together, but after that there is some trust issues happened. Then some other option also came into your life or your person's life. Then you both got separated. Okay, so present, what is happening? Maybe you are going through divorce, or your person is going through divorce, or some other legal battle I can see here. So that is what is happening in the present moment. And we have a star card here. Star card means that this might be a long distance relationship. This person might be little far away from you, but there is a hope in this connection at the moment. At present, you have lot of hopes, or that person has lot of hopes on this connection that it will work out. Okay, there is no doubt or no bad or negative feelings in this connection. So they are having a lot of positivity, like saying thinking that there is a hope in this connection because of the star card, or they are seeing you as a celebrity, or you both are excelling in your career. Okay, so maybe you both are public figures, you both are working in public, maybe marketing, sales, teacher, lawyer, judge. Okay, it is related to the public. Okay, so you will be in public, or actor, model, fashion designer, something like that. Okay, so you, but still at the moment in present, you are having lot of hope in this connection. You are both are feeling that it will work out, it can work out, but nobody is taking a step. Why? Because nine of wands is there. Nine of wands means there is a defensive energy. You don't want to make a move, or the other person doesn't want to make a move. So maybe you both are having the ego clashes. Okay, then you both might be having some pride or self-respect issues. So you both are not moving ahead, but you both are waiting. You are tired of waiting for this person to come back to your life, or you want to go back to their life, but still you both are not taking any action. Both of you are simply waiting, and you have seen lot of things in your life. You have faced lot of struggles in your life, lot of problems in your life. You have seen many people who are not right for you. Maybe in the job you are facing such people, negative people, or maybe in your friend circle or relatives are such a people that you are tired of this worldly drama, so you don't want to move ahead, you don't want to take any action in this connection, because you yourself you are not sure, but you have lot of hope in this connection. You are expecting the other person should come to you, and they are expecting you should come to them. So that is what is happening, in a battle is happening between both of you. Okay, so now let us see what is the future of this connection. Okay, the future is magician, then the empress, and the high priestess. Okay, so these are all the three cards that came for the future. Okay, what I can feel here, what I can see here, there is lot of abundance in this connection. Okay, so you or the your person might be manifesting this connection, sorry. Okay, so you both are manifesting this connection to come back, and you want to work it out. So definitely you both are manifesting this connection. You are a magician. Okay, so maybe you are doing lot of prayers, lot of pujas, or using law of attraction or candle magic, something you are doing for this person to come back. So as I can see, you don't want to go to that person doesn't want to come to you, but still you both are praying God in in their absence. So you are trying to manifest that person into your life, manifest this connection into your life, and there is a lot of abundance. I can see marriage, I can see pregnancy, I can see children together. Empress means it is lot of abundance. Okay, since all the three are lady cards representing female energy, feminine energy, I can see that only the lady who is the in this connection, feminine is doing lot of manifestation about this connection. And you are also highly intuitive, and some of you I can see that you are tarot reader also, might be for some of you, because my subscribers, many of them are tarot readers. They don't do public, but some of them, they have the channel also, and they do readings for others also. I came to know through emails. Okay, so you are manifesting this fun connection, and also you have the intuition. So you are opening your third eye, you are doing might be lot of meditation, and you want to kill the monster or devil in this connection, and you want to bring the goodness into back your life. Whatever past is there, whatever the bad things are there, whatever trust issues are there, negative emotions are there in this connection, so you want to get rid of all the negative things, and you want to be in your power. Okay, or some other lady or mother figure might help in this connection. Okay, but your connection is definitely coming back into union, and I can see marriage and children, pregnancy, everything I can see here. Okay, congratulations, pile number one, and very happy reading. I'm so happy to do this reading. Hope you like this reading, and hope you got the clarity in this situation. So let us see what are the affirmations that you have to read, so that you can get the clarity in this connection, in this situation. Angel of clarity. I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused in all that I do. I am lovingly conscious in every action I take. I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Okay, so maybe you can read these affirmations every day, so that you will get the confidence and the clarity that you can achieve your goal. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number one, all the best. Thank you. If you like the reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this emerald card, this reading is for you. What is the past, present, future of this connection? Okay, let me pull the cards for you. Let us pull the cards for your past. What is the past of this connection? What happened in the past between you and your person? What happened in the past between you and your person? What happened in the past between you and your person? These are the three cards for your past. Now let us see what is the present of this connection. Um, what is happening right now in your connection? What is the present of this connection? What is happening right now in this connection? Let us see. 3 cards I will pull. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then what is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? So 3 cards I'll pull for the future. Okay. So let us see what is the past of your connection. What happened in the past in your connection? If it resonates with you, then you can see the present and future. Okay. 4 of Swords, 7 of Pentacles, the Empress. These are the cards for the past. Okay. So in the past, what happened? Whoever is the feminine in this connection, so you are very, very strong like Empress. For some of you, I can see you are a single mom. Whoever is the feminine in this connection, whoever is the lady in this connection, so you might be, I'm not saying this is for everybody, but you might be a mother single mom. Then you have everything in your life. You have the freedom, you have abundance, you have beauty, you have money, you have everything in your life. So what happened? This person came into your life. This person was praying and they were trying to manifest a person in their life partner, even though they had some past issues. The swords we can see here, this 4 of Swords. Okay, even though this person had some issues in the past, maybe they are dealing with some other person or some other relationship or some other problems in their life. So that time they met you. Okay, they were admiring you from far because 7 of Pentacles is there, 7 of Pentacles there. So they were admiring you. They were like they only came to you. Okay, okay, you in the sense it is a feminine energy, whatever, whoever is the lady here in this connection. So they didn't say, they did not what can I say? They did not tell you that they love you, or they did not tell you that they want you or marry you, something like that. They were simply admiring you from far. Maybe you both have met online, or you both might be past some relationship or some connection is there in the past. So you might be knowing each other, but you understood from this person's behavior, body language, that this person likes you and they are in love with you, but they didn't express to you, they didn't express their feelings to you. Okay, that is what happened in the past. Then after that you both got separated, or you might be together also, like seeing each other every day, saying hi bye and all, but you don't know what exactly to do in the past. So but you are having your daily life, you are having your own beautiful life. I can see in this pile, I cannot see any negative emotions. Okay, so in this pile, the lady, whoever is there, they have lot of confidence and very strong person, I can say, because the Empress means very powerful person. So that is what the feminine in this connection. Maybe the other person in this connection, the masculine, so they might be having some self-worth issues, or their past is not so good that they are not able to express their feelings to you, or they were not able to tell you the truth, or propose you, because they had some issues in their past and they think that you may not accept them, because they got intimidated with your power. Okay, that is what happened in your past. If this is happened in the past, then you can see present also. So let us see what is happening at the moment, in the present moment. 8 of Swords, Justice, and the Star. Okay, so this is similar to pile 1. If you want, you can see the pile 1 also. Okay, so 8 of stars means it is blindfolded. Then it is kind of blocking each other. Somebody blocked someone, like you blocked them or they blocked you, or both of you blocked each other in the social media, or in the WhatsApp, or phone blocking, whatever it is. So maybe you didn't like their approach, or you didn't like their egotistical behavior, or whatever it is. So maybe there is some conflict here which is not showing in the cards right now. But there is a, now at the moment, at the present moment, you both are in a blockage, okay, blocked connection. Maybe you are thinking that this person is kind of a flirt, or kind of maybe you don't have the trust on them, so you are not trusting them, whoever is the lady here. So they, you are feeling that okay, they are not expressing their feelings, or they are not proposing you. So that means this person is not genuine, this person is not trustworthy, this person is a flirt, or anything, something like that. So that is the reason you blocked each other. Then there is a justice also. So justice means maybe you are dealing with the past legal battle, or they are going through a legal battle, maybe a divorce for some of you. I'm not saying everybody, for some of you maybe, or some other legal battle they are going through. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you at the present in this moment. But the star is there, star card means there is lot of hope in this connection. And I also can see this is kind of a long distance relationship. They are not near to you, they are far away from you, but they are having lot of hope. And they also see you like you are capable of accept, you will accept them. So even though you are having everything, you are abundant, you have all the things that which you need in your life, but they are feeling that you will accept them. There is a hope in this connection, even though whatever they have done in the past also, if something happened in your past, so they are feeling that you will accept them. So there is a hope, but there is no action right now in at the present. Now let us see what is the future of this connection. Spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? Death, the Emperor, and the World. Okay, so as we can see at the present, Justice card is there and the World card is there in future. That means there should be a completion. But for some of you, this is the end of the relationship. You might not um, reunite, I'm sorry to say, because the Death card is there, even the World card is there. World card means it is a completion. There is two ways here. In between, the Emperor is there. Emperor is there means Emperor is kind of a father figure, or a father of your children, or like husband. Okay, so you are in future, they might be your husband or father of your children, but there is something they have to get rid of. Maybe their ego, because Death card is there, death and rebirth. So there might be, they have to remove all the negative energy from their life, or the self-worth issues that they have to get rid of some negative energy in their life. Then only they can come to you. The world means they have to travel and come towards you, and they will make you as their first priority, and they offer their world to you. That is one meaning. Okay, another meaning is like they have to complete one cycle in their life. That means you both have to complete this no communication, no contact cycle, because I can see Eight of Swords. At the present, you both are blocked with each other, so you blocked each other, that blockage is there. So that cycle will complete and you will reunite. But there is lot of ego clashes in this connection. You are also strong person, and the other person is also very very strong, because Emperor and Empress is there in this connection. Okay, so you are, in the past you were Empress, and the present the Emperor is there, that is your person. There is lot of chances that you both will be together, you both will be wife and husband, you both will be like parents of your children. But at the same time, you have to release all your negativity, you have to release all the ego problems, then only you can be together. And also I can see there is a distance issue, so that you have to resolve. Maybe this is long distance relationship, other person is there in some other country, city or state, and you are stuck in your place, because you have abundancy in your place, right? Already you are Empress, you are having everything in your life, so you cannot leave your job and or business to go there, or that person cannot leave the job or business and come to you. So you have to resolve this matter. This connection is not so easy. Okay, so there is a very 50-50 chances. So you have to make it work. You have to put lot of efforts or action in this connection, then only it will work. So let us see what are the affirmations from you. Angel of prosperity, I am blessed with abundance. I am successful in all of my business pursuits. My actions come from a loving place and have beneficial results for myself and others. I am fortunate. I appreciate and enjoy my prosperity. Okay, these are all the affirmations from you. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot and read every day so that you can attract the abundance in your life and attract your person into your life. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this tiger's eye, this reading is for you. So let us see what is the past, present, future of your connection. Okay, what is the past of this connection? Let us see what is the past of your connection. If the past is resonating with you, then you can see the present and future. Oh, sorry, I don't want so many card spirits. What is the past of this connection? What was your past? What happened in your connection? Let me pull 3 cards for the past. Then what is happening right now in this connection? What is the present of this connection? What is the present of this connection? What is happening in this connection? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is happening right now? Let me pull 3 cards here. Okay. What is the future of this connection? Main interesting part. What is the future of this connection? Let me see. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Here also I am taking 3 cards for your future. So first let me read this, what is written on this card. Are you envious of someone else's good fortune, or others jealous of you? Replace jealousy with happiness for another's good fortune. Blessings are being received all around. Anyone can create the same blessings with true and pure intention. It's up to you. Okay, this is what written on this card. Now let us see what is the past, what happened in the past in this connection. Let us see. Ace of Swords, Hanged Man and King of Cups. Okay, this is your past. The signs I can see here are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or I can see some fixed signs also, but I can see only Aries. And I can see Taurus also here. Okay, that's all. Then in the past, this connection started very fast. Okay, so you both had maybe you met somewhere in public place, then immediately you got attracted towards each other. Then in between there is fight also happened. Everything happened very very fast. Okay, and you both are very straightforward, short tempered, aggressive. You or your person. Okay, please take it however it resonates. So after that, even though you or your person, whoever is the masculine in this connection, they have lot of feelings towards you, lot of emotions where they are very sensitive, and they want to give their cup of love to you, but they are little bit scared, and that is the reason they are kind of a hanged man. They couldn't propose you. For some of you, this person might be elder to you, age difference is there. This person might be a single dad, okay, or a divorcee. I cannot see any children here. Maybe this person is a divorcee. That is the reason they were not able to come towards you. But no, this is not for everybody. Please take it whatever resonates with you. Okay, because King of Cups, normally King comes means it is kind of a this person had seen lot in their life. Okay, but this person has lot of emotions towards you, lot of feelings towards you, but they were not able to express. So they were kind of a like a stagnant energy or a hanged man energy. But whatever happened between you both, but very very fast, okay, very fast moving. You were within days, okay, I can see this is kind of a connection, very short term connection, I can say. It was very fast, then it was kind of a very impulsive connection. Okay, then after that, definitely you both were not ready for this connection. So you both had some anger issues, even though this person is calm and quiet. But I feel that whoever is watching this reading, maybe you are a little bit angry or aggressive in nature, or you want everything to happen very very fast. But this person is not that kind, because King of Cups is there. They are little bit slow. They want to understand first, they want to analyze the things, analyze the situation, then they want to proceed. But they have lot of feelings and emotions, lot of love towards you. Okay, that is what is happened in the past. If you are resonating with the past, then you can see the present and future. Okay, what is happening in the present? Lady, then Ace of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. Okay, again I am feeling this is kind of a, you are looking for you are watching this reading for your partner, I feel. Some of you are both are wife and husband, and you got separated because of this fights, impulses, or very fast moving actions. Because of that, might be you both got separated, but slowly you are coming together. I can see you both are hurt in this situation, in this connection. You both are wounded. You both feel that there is a lot of unknown things in this connection. Maybe you are feeling that your spouse or partner is hiding something from you, or they are feeling the same. There are a lot of secrets in this connection. You both are not happy without each other at the present, what I am saying. In this moment, maybe you or your person are having some health issues, health problems. You both are one of you, any one of you are not well, or both of you also not well. Some people might have gone into depression and all, god forbid. But still, you both are waiting for each other. You both are made for each other, because King of Cups and Queen of Cups is there in the same suit. So that means you both are definitely are made for each other. Okay, Queen of Wands actually. Okay, King and Queen are there in the same suit. So the feminine who is here, they are very attractive, then they are very strong, powerful. Okay, so whatever they want to do, they want to do it fast. Okay, they don't want to wait. They don't have that much patience to wait for this connection. So they are getting impatient in this connection. Okay, that is what is happening in right now. But the other person is very slow and steady, because Ace of Pentacles means that is the very slowest moving deck energy in this deck. Okay, so definitely this person want to offer a stable commitment, but still that is very very slow moving energy. Okay, so now let us see what is the future of this connection. The Fool, the Devil, and the Star. Okay, so definitely in future, you or your person will take a risk in this connection, take a leap of faith in this connection. Why? Because you both are very obsessed about each other. You both are not able to live without each other. There is a lot of hope in this connection. Definitely you will be together, because the Star card is a yes card. So definitely you both will be together. You will take an action in future. You will take a risk, and you will be kind of addictive relationship, I can say, in the future. Whatever will happen, it will happen unexpectedly. Okay, but there is a lot of hope in this connection. You both feel that you should be together. You are meant to be together. So definitely you will be taking action. As of now, you are not taking any action, but in the present, you are not taking action. But in future, definitely you will take a risk or leap of faith. You will leave everything to God, and you will come close to each other. So your connection started very fast, and it will come to reunion also very fast, because of the Tower. So bottom of the deck, I can see the Tower card in the future. So that means whatever will happen, it will happen unexpectedly and it will happen suddenly, and you will have a lot of passion in this relationship, and a lot of blessings in this connection, and you will have happy life. Okay, let us see what is written here. The affirmations. Angel of goodwill. I am sincerely happy for the blessings in the lives of others. It brings me great joy to see others experiencing happiness. I extend blessings and goodwill to all. I am grateful for other people's good fortune. Okay, these are all the affirmations. If you want to read, you can read every day. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.